Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Da kispa angut ki Samla Pule na ki college ki badon hajali jong kanong ba Shillong ki bakinthup ya ki Samla Pule Bachelor of Social Work jong ka St Edmunds College lembat ki Samla Pule jong ka Martin Luther Christian University Shillong ki Samla Pule jong ka IIPS ki St Raymond's Ngobha bat git khot jong ka child friendly Shillong Kilaya Shimbanta ha ka Pyrshah bat pinsmol thu shaki patba ban Pyrshah ya ka Jingtehmraw ha ka dur jong ka Jingkhayi ya ki parabriu ka Jingpengop ha ki kam auria ka Jingkhayi be an ya ki do jem jong ki briu ka Jingpenchong kurim jubor ba ka Jingpentrai bordi ki balong Pyrshah ya ka imlang ka salang Ya kani ka jingya procession la pelong da ka the movement India balasdang na phalau jong ka St Edmunds College La play the principal jong ka St Edmunds College Dr. Silvanus Lamare ha ka ba ki Samla Pule kilaya pelun ya ka snong laj umkhra but one phai byang da ka ba pankut ya kani ka jingya procession ha phalau jong ka college ha kani ka sngi la sakhilang da ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for the Protection of Child Rights ka kong Yamon MSM ka bala shakhot sngobha kum ka kongsan
St Edmunds College with Martin Luther, IIPS and other colleges as well as the partner organization which are in Shillong. So Walk for Freedom is the world's largest event to raise awareness about human trafficking happening simultaneously in 500 locations across 50 countries. Globally, the walk is organized by A21, an international NGO in the fight against modern-day slavery. 200 victims of human trafficking, including minors and women from trains and railway stations. So in another instance, in March 2022, the National Intelligence Agencies arrested 6 individuals connected with the illegal trafficking of Rohingya in India through the northeast border, including through Meghalaya, as per the Indian Express report. It is for every such victim of human trafficking that we walk for freedom. We believe that when we come out in strength and numbers, when we educate ourselves about the reality of human trafficking, when we open our eyes to see the signs of human trafficking around us, and when we take action to call the national helplines, we will surely see an India free of human trafficking within our lifetime. Today, every step you take, every poster you hold up, every flyer you stick in your homes, colleges and offices brings us one step closer to safe community.
Slavery still exists in the 21st century.
Slavery still exists in the 21st century.
People like you and I, bought and sold as commodities. People like you and I, in this city and in this nation, but you and I are here today.
Just I would like to share one thing that most of the people are not aware of. Right now in our border areas, both in Jingtehmraw and Riboy district, people are guarding every day their villages because people are coming to kidnap, especially young people, for the organs, especially kidney. So this is, you have to be aware of this. This is going on in number of villages in our border, and this is really a threat to the people in the border area. With these words, I wish that this day be a day of education for people who are observing you along as you walk along, and I hope that our friends in the media will carry it to further inform all other people who are not seeing you or who are not able to participate. And with this, I declare the walk for freedom open, and let's move to really spread freedom so that people are aware of it and we are all protected.
From Kevin. Huh? request for us to open it. Delivery happens.